Here I have OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to add a passcode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select Face and Passcode. And here you'll notice lock screen password. Just tap on it. And now select Turn on Passcode. And it's time to enter the lock screen that you would like to have. So let me enter, for example, 123789. And you have to confirm it one more time, so enter it one more time. And that's it. You can also add an email address, so it will help you in recovering your lock screen if forgotten, but let me cancel it for now. And that's it. Since now your lock screen is protected with your passcode, so just enter it to enable the screen. If you'd like to switch off the passcode, just go to the settings one more time, pick Face and Passcode, go to lock screen password and enter the one that you have now, 123789, and tap on Turn off Passcode. Confirm it by tapping your passcode one more time, and that's it. Since now your device has no passcode, you can easily unlock it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.